Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with a beginner-friendly dot mandala. Let me dot in the center with lemon yellow. Let me keep some dots in mint green. Let me keep side swipes in the same color. Let me keep some lavender dots. Let me keep tiny dots in lavender. Let me keep some plumpy dots in lemon yellow. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Let me keep some brush strokes in mint green. I'll keep some brush strokes in lavender. I'll keep some brush strokes in lemon yellow. I'll keep some dots in mint green. Keep some dots in lemon yellow. I'll keep some brush strokes in mint green. I'll keep some brush strokes in lavender. I'll keep some dots in mint green. I'm sure this was a beginner-friendly dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.